How to lock chats on WhatsApp. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will guide you on how you can lock chats on WhatsApp, so make sure to watch the video till the end. So if you want to lock chats on WhatsApp, it is actually very simple to do so. All you have to do is open the WhatsApp Messenger application, and let's say that there is a certain chat that you want to lock. It's actually quite simple. Just open up your chat page over here, tap the profile from the very top of the screen. After you do that, scroll down and select the option called chat lock. Then just tap on lock this chat with fingerprint, and then just hit the OK option and make sure to verify your fingerprint first of all. Now after this chat has been locked, next time if you want to access that locked chats, you open it up, you scroll at the top, you can say locked chats, so you can select that and only use your fingerprint, and after that the chat will get successfully unlocked. This way you will be able to lock chats on WhatsApp. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.